Hey guys, and we're here. It's the morning of the autocross. We're running a little bit behind schedule and they're still setting up the track, but then we'll get to the safety inspections, but I think we're gonna do all right. Now, I'm super excited. The last time I was on a track was in a stock 2005 Toyota Corolla 5 years ago. So this will be the first time I've ever gone autocrossing in my Camaro, and it should be a blast. As the morning heated up, more cars trickled in, and 40 minutes later, finally it was time to walk the course. While everybody else was worried about which lines they'll take and how late they'll brake, I was worried about not missing any turns.
Ready?
And finally it was time to race. I was 5th in line at the start, so here's my first run. And I was so nervous about not missing any turns that of course I missed the second turn. Thankfully, I realized my mistake and got back on course. Luckily, this Miata went right before me, so I wasn't the only one making a bad first run. After all the cars in the first round were through, Miata was able to redeem itself with a very impressive run, and I was back at the line for my redemption. This yellow Porsche GT3 was one of the fastest cars out here with this all-wheel drive. Its only competitor was this Honda Civic with racing slicks. After a few more rounds, it was time for my last run of the day. After a quick look at my times, I volunteered for Group 2 in the afternoon and then drove home with a smile, ready and excited for day 2. Day 2's track was a reverse of Day 1, except some of the turns were a lot sharper and the track was a lot shorter. This was my last run and my best run.
Thirty-seven, 381.
37. Let's go.
After Group 1 was done, I was back on bus watch for Group 2. But Anna was able to get some good footage of the rest of the cars. Her favorite was the yellow Porsche. Now there were some amazing cars out here, from the Porsche GT3 to the Shelby Cobra Mustang to that silver Evo and the black Honda Prelude. All these cars were pretty epic. But don't let that scare you away from trying it. I came out here with a 30-year-old V6 Camaro that was probably pushing 130 horsepower, and I had a blast. In the end, it doesn't matter if you're driving this stock grocery getter Ford Focus or this built-up Fox body with racing slicks with a gray-haired badass behind the wheel. All that matters is you come out, have some fun, learn what you can do, learn what your car can do, and just grow a little bit as a driver and as a community. Nothing embodies this more than the event head who had emailed me afterwards and asked me what tires I was running and gave me suggestions on what tires I should be running, and then emailed me a whole bunch of information on how to get better. For that, I'll always be grateful.